If you want to clone your entire website on Squarespace, it's actually really easy to do, but you can't do it from within your own website. You have to go one step back into your account dashboard. So I'm going to show you in this video really quickly how you can navigate there, how you can select your site, and then how you can make a clone of all of your content. So we have our site here, and this is the website that we want to clone. We want to bring everything across to the new site. So what we need to do is we need to go back a step. So you actually used to be able to click this icon here and it would take you back to your account. No idea why Squarespace did away with it, but all you need to do is go to account. So account.squarespace.com, and that is going to take you to your dashboard. In here, you can see if you have any pinned projects, you can see what domains you own, you can see Circle. So if you're a Circle member, you can see all this. But I digress. That is not the point of this video. You want to be in your dashboard. You want to then find the website. Yours will probably look like this. You can have two different views, you see. But yours will probably look like this. That's the default view. And then all you need to do is, once you've located it, just click these three dots here. And then you're going to click Duplicate Website. Once you click that, you'll be prompted by this message to say it'll take a few minutes, blah, blah, blah. You click duplicate and it's going to show you this progress bar. If you have a lot more content on your site, this is going to take much longer than what it did there. But you can see now it's duplicated. The only thing, if I just hit refresh, and this is a bit of a gripe I have with Squarespace, is it doesn't actually put your site to the top. So it doesn't put your duplicated site right at the top. The best way to get this, so let's say you want quick access to your duplicated site. I mean, it will be easy if you only have like 2 sites in there, but I have about 900. So it's impossible for me to sift through. However, if you go into your emails, every time you create a new site on Squarespace, they will send you an email that says, hey, congratulations on your new site. And it will show you the domain. So just click the domain and you'll be in your new site. If, like me, you have a ton of different sites, you can just, you want to keep track of the main site and the duplicate site, you can just pin. So click the 3 dots and you can pin the project and it will go into here. So you just pin it and you can easily reference both websites moving forward. So that is how you make a clone of your website on Squarespace. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.